The Paluma-class motor launcher is a class of 4 hydrographic survey motor launchers operated by the Royal Australian Navy. RAN. Built in Port Adelaide between 1988 and 1990. The 4 catamarans are primarily based at HMAS Cairns in Cairns, Queensland, and operate in pairs to survey the waters of northern Australia. Design and construction. The Paluma-class vessels are based off the design of the Prince-class roll-on, roll-off ferry. They have a full load displacement of 320 tons, a 36.6 meters, 120 feet, long overall and 36 meters, 118 feet, long between perpendiculars, have a beam of 13.7 meters, 45 feet, and a draft of 1.9 meters, 6 feet 3 in. Propulsion machinery consists of 2 General Motors Detroit Diesel 1.2 V9 2T engines, which supply 1290 brake horsepower, 960 kilowatts, to the 2 propeller shafts. Each vessel has a top speed of 12 knots, 22 kilometers per hour, 14 miles per hour, a maximum sustainable speed of 10 knots, 19 kilometers per hour, 12 miles per hour, for a range of 1,800 nautical miles, 3,300 kilometers, 2,100 miles, and an endurance of 14 days. The sensor suite of a Paluma-class launch consists of a JRC JMA37106 navigational radar, an ELAC LAS-72 side-scan mapping sonar, and a Skipper 113 hull-mounted scanning sonar. The vessels are unarmed. The standard ship's company consists of 3 officers and 11 sailors, although another 4 personnel can be accommodated. The catamarans were originally painted white, but were repainted naval grey in 2002. The 4 ships were built by Eglo Engineering, at their shipyard in Port Adelaide, South Australia. The first, HMAS Paluma, was laid down in March 1988, and commissioned into the RAN in February 1989. All 4 ships were under construction by November 1988, and the last, HMAS Benalla, commissioned in March 1990. Operations. All 4 vessels are home-ported at HMAS Cairns in Cairns, Queensland. They are used for hydrographic surveys of the shallow waters around northern Australia, primarily in the Great Barrier Reef. The vessels generally operate in pairs. Replacement. Defending Australia in the Asia-Pacific Century Force 2030. The 2009 Department of Defense White Paper proposed replacing the Palumas, along with the RAN's patrol and mine warfare vessels, with a single class of multi-role offshore combatant vessels, OCVs. The new vessels, which could displace up to 2,000 tons and be equipped for helicopter or unmanned aerial vehicle operations, will use a modular mission payload system to change between roles as required. Although the 2013 White Paper committed to the OCV as a long-term plan, it announced that life-extending upgrades to the Palumas would be sought as a short-term solution. Citations. Saunders, Stephen, ed. 2008. James Fighting Ships 2008-2009. James Fighting Ships. 111th ed. Surrey. James Information Group. ISBN 9780710628459. OCLC 225431774. Wertheim, Eric, ed. 2007. The Naval Institute Guide to Combat Fleets of the World. Their Ships, Aircraft, and Systems. 15th ed. Annapolis. MD. Naval Institute Press. ISBN 9781591149552. OCLC 140283156. Official RAN webpage.